Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to give landscape print from Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Microsoft Outlook account using your credentials. This will give you access to your inbox and all the email management features available in the web app. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to demonstrate how to print an email in landscape format. Navigate to your inbox pane on the left side of your screen where all your emails and email folders are displayed. From here, select any email you'd like to print. For this tutorial, you can choose any sample email just to access the print function and configure the landscape settings. Click on the email to select it. Now, the selected email will appear in your preview pane on the right side of your screen. This preview pane displays the full content of your email and gives you various options to manage it. From here, direct your attention to the top right part of the email preview pane. You'll notice a three-dot icon which opens additional options for managing this email. Go ahead and click on this icon. A More Options menu will appear with several actions you can take. From this menu, look for and select Print. This will open a new print preview window where you can configure your print settings before sending the email to your printer. Now, in the print preview window, you'll see various settings you can adjust to customize how your email will be printed. Look for the Layout drop-down menu. This is where you can control the orientation of your printed page. Click on this layout drop-down and you'll see two different options available. One is for portrait layout, which is the default vertical orientation, and the other is for landscape layout, which rotates the page horizontally. Simply select landscape from these options. This changes the orientation of your printed email, making it wider and more suitable for emails with tables, wide images, or content that benefits from horizontal space. After selecting landscape, click on the print button located at the bottom right part of this window. Your email will now be sent to your printer with the landscape layout applied, giving you a horizontal print output instead of the standard vertical format. And that's it, you've successfully configured Outlook to print your email in landscape format. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.